KOMK, KOMK. Thanks for checking it out. So today I want to talk about our journey. Yeah, it's pretty deep. It's our journey, you know, it's something we all have our own journeys, right? We all have gone down different roads in life, and our road leads us different ways and has led us sometimes down a wrong damn road, but now we're on the right damn road. And we may get off the road somewhere along the line again as well, but that's just part of the journey. So for this journey, the first thing we think about sometimes is, where have we been? Where did we go? What road did we go down? Was it a memorable road in a positive way or a negative way? But that's a big thing. That's a big part of our journey, is where have we been? Because that also helps to dictate where we're going to go. And that's important to know as well, right? Where we've been will help us understand where we're going to go. Because a lot of times, especially when we're younger, we go down roads in this journey that we don't really want to be on, and sometimes we get stuck on certain roads for a long damn time. And we got to find that cut. That cut might be an alley. That cut may not really even exist, and you might have to cut a new road. You might have to get out the axe and chop down some trees so you can get up off of this road and turn down, make a road that is right for you. So where have you been in that journey is super important to understand. You know, a lot of times, sometimes also when we're on roads, you know, we get into a point where it's kind of maybe a traffic jam on that road, okay, where we feel, you know, maybe we can't get off. Maybe we're in a bad relationship. Maybe we're doing things we shouldn't be doing, something like that. And that would be kind of like a traffic jam, and we feel a little stuck. It happens to us all. We all get into various levels of traffic jams along our journey, and we have to be patient with it. But also what we need to do is we need to chart out a new destination for ourselves. You know, we have to, you know, get that GPS tracker going and find a better route to where we want to be. And we need to start getting out of that traffic. Putting that blinker on, letting people know you getting off on that off ramp that's coming up. And it's going to be hard to get across. It's a 50-lane road, highway, it's traffic jam, and it's bumper to bumper. How are you going to get across? And that's a big thing. That's the biggest thing that I think a lot of people face in terms of a dilemma, a hard time in life, is getting out of that traffic jam and getting to that off ramp to start moving in another direction. Because it's hard. It's hard. It's painful at times, because that road that you get on, sometimes you don't see the end, that there's an end of that road, and you just stay on it and just ride it out. So sometimes we gotta fight through that traffic to get to the off ramp. Another thing is, sometimes we lose our map. You know, we forget where it is that we're going. Where is it that we want to be going? Where is the final destination? Sometimes that map flies out the window when you're moving, going, you know, 80 kilometers an hour down the road, and that map just flew out the window. Shit, where do I go? Let me just stay on the road. I don't know. Sometimes when you're living in the fast lane, sometimes burning the candle on both ends, going hard on stuff, you know, and just living, not really thinking about where it is that you're trying to go to, you don't even look at the map. You might have the maps in the back of the car, in the trunk, in the boot, you know, and you're not even thinking about the map. You're just living. You're just doing the thing, going down that road. Sometimes you gotta get that map out and find a new map. Pull over. That's the best. One of the best things you can do is pull over from that fast road. get on a slow road for a little while, find you a new map, set a goal for a destination, and then start moving down another road. And the biggest and important thing is about this whole journey that we're on is what have we learned along the way. That's the biggest thing. Because a lot of times when we get trapped on a road and we're going down various roads, all types of roads, sometimes we forget to reflect. We forget to sit down and think about, damn, that was a valuable lesson. And sometimes we don't see the lesson until much later, and that hindsight kicks in. And it's important for us to think about what we're learning along the road of life. Along this journey that we're on, it's important to think about what it is that we have learned along the way, and what is it that we can learn by continuing on this road or going off, hitting a detour, getting to where we want to be, right? So we have to think about the things that we have learned and what we would like to learn in this journey. And the last thing is the moments. The moments we pulled off and took a snapshot of that beautiful scenic place, that monuments and things that were meaningful in life, right? Because life is about moments, and we want to have as many wonderful, amazing moments as we can in life, correct? So on that journey, there's lots of times where we have to stop, get out, take in the scenery, have some snapshot moments, buy some souvenirs, send some postcards, stuff like that, because those moments in life on that journey are all of what we want more of. Positive, wonderful moments in life. KOMK. Stay on the right road in your journey. Peace.